Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, privacy glass, tires, front all season. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.